If you are looking for a way to convert your business name to a company name, then this video is for you. So welcome back guys, my name is Timmy and welcome to Explore with Timmy. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process which you can use to convert from your business name to a company name. We all know that there's a difference between a business name and a company name. A business name is just a simply registration trade name for a sole proprietorship or partnership, while a company name is a distinct legal entity, usually end with LTD or limited. So if you're a business owner, you want to register your company and you just want to have the sole proprietorship of the business, then you can go with business name. It's just limited to you. But if you want to register something bigger that is limited by shares, then you go with company name. But I would advise anyone registering a company in 2026, because of the new tax law that is going on around, to just register their business as a company. I think I'll make a video of how you can go about, whether to choose a business name or a company name in another video. But I don't want this video to be too long and I want it to be well detailed. So guys, let's go right into the video. So this video is just about upgrading your business name to a company name. That means you already register your business name with CAC and you now want to upgrade it to a company name. So let's go right into the video. So once you log in into the CAC portal, you are going to scroll to where it says name requiring consent. That means you want to require the consent of upgrading from business to company name. So just go right to your dashboard, the CAC portal, then you see name reservation, name requiring consent. Just click on it, then click on apply for consent. So this is where you are going to input your business classification. We are upgrading to a company, so just click on company. Business type, you click on private company limited by shares. So just go to the space and click on private limited by shares, private company limited by shares. So once you just click on it, you select it as a business type. Then let me just go ahead. Then the reason for consent is business name upgrade to limited. So after then, you just click on apply for consent. So once you click on it, you just say yes, that's my application. So it's going to load, then it will take you to this phase. This is where we are going to fill all the details. The first thing is to put your proposed name. That is your business name, the one you've registered before. Then you're going to add LTD or limited at the back of the name. So once you type out the name, you are going to add LTD or limited, whatever one you want to choose, you just add it. Then you move to the other stuff like principal business activities. If you already open your business name, you are familiar with this these things here, like the specific business, the address and all. So once you fill this information, you fill the address, that means the company address, then we proceed to the next phase. Just say save and continue. So it's going to take us to this place that says article of association. So when you get to this place, you don't need to do anything. Just click on adopt default article of association. So once you click on adopt default article of association, CAC will automatically bring out the association article. So just click on it. You don't need to do anything. Then you scroll down to where it says witnesses. So you need to provide the details of a friend, anybody that will be witnessing to this registration. Just go ahead and fill in the details of whoever you are going to use, the name, the surname, the email address, and that's just what you need. Then you click on continue. So just scroll through and confirm the person's details, their name, their phone number, their email address. That's just what you need. Then you say save and continue. So we move to the third step that says object of memorandum. That means you are going to add the object of your company. That means what is the objective of your company? Just say the major thing that your business will be doing. Like now I'm registering an electrical engineering business, so I'll just say electrical engineering, electrical installation, wiring. I'll just state what the company will be doing. So once you are done, you say save and continue. So once we save and continue, take us to the next steps. That is the details of the director. So if you are using your personal CAC account, it will just bring out your information. If you are the director, then you just move to the next one. If you are using like a agent portal, then you have to fill in this section. So save and continue. Then we move to the next section, that is the personal details. If you are the one registering your company by yourself, then you are still going to fill in your personal details on this section. Then you just click on this box that says I confirm that the requirement of this thing, blah blah blah. Then you just save and continue. Then it will take us to the upload. This is where you are going to upload the letter of consent, CAC business name, then other supporting document. It can be your NIN. I think it's just your NIN is fine. So I already drafted a letter of consent. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in the next video. I don't want this video to be too long. It's a very simple process that anyone can do. If you have Canva or any other editing software, you can just go ahead and bring this stuff out, put in one or two things, then just come up with this consent letter. So I'll be showing you in the next video. Just make sure that you watch to the end and follow this channel. So I'll just go ahead and upload my letter of consent. Then I'll also upload my CAC certificate business. As I said in the beginning of this video, that we are upgrading from business to limited liability company. So just go ahead and upload these 3 documents and we move to the next phase. After the uploads, then we move to the preview section. This is where you preview everything that you have actually submitted, from the company details to the article of association to everything that is required. This is where you are going to confirm everything. So I always make sure that I confirm all my details in order to avoid any misspelling, any errors, or anything that can be avoidable. Just make sure that you carefully go through all your details. So once you are done, we'll move to the payment. So you will be paying the sum of 5,000 naira. So you just click on remitter processing. Then I used to use bank transfer, so you just transfer the money. Then once you are done, you just click on I have sent it. Then we can move to the next phase. So one thing about CAC now is that before, you are going to wait for like another week before they can approve your letter of consent, but now it's almost like immediately. So like after 2 hours, I came back to my portal and I saw that it has been approved. So once you receive the approval, then you can move to the next process. You can see it says approved. Then it already has my consent code. So I'll just say go to registration. This is where we are going to now properly register our company name. So let's go right into our registration. Those first details is the company details, just what we already filled the other time. That is what they are going to bring to this section. Just go ahead and fill it. Even it's already even filled already. Just cross check everything that is written there. Once you are done, save and continue. Then the next step is article of association. Just like we did the other time, we are going to adopt the default article of association. Then we scroll down, you see the witnesses. Because we have already added a witness the other time, we don't need to add another one. Just click on the details of the person. If you want to edit the name or you want to remove the person and add another one, you can just go right now. But I'm not going to do anything. I'll just say save and continue. Then we move to the third section, which is the object of memorandum. So the object that we input the other time will still be there. So if you scroll down, you see it. Just leave it there. If you want to add another one, you can add, but you just say save and continue. So just as we did the other time, the director information is already on the portal. If I want to edit anything, that is when I'll just go ahead and edit. But right here, I'm not editing anything. I'll just leave it like that. So the next section is very, very important. So it will bring something like this: minimum share capital of designated companies. So CAC already have a minimum share capital for all the types of company that is listed in this sheet. So if your company falls under this company that is listed here, then you have like the normal regulatory minimum capitals you are going to choose from. So our company is not under this list. Then we are going to be selecting our own share issue capital. So just click on where it says types of company, then the first button says entity with shares below 5 million. That is what we'll be clicking. Then it will automatically put 1 million. That means the minimum share capital in creating a company with CAC is 1 million. So in this box, you just click on 1 million. This total company issue share capital. Then you type 1 million naira. So you come to where it says shares of class of share. You click on equity ordinary. Make sure it's equity ordinary. Then you type 1 million again. Where it says divided into numbers of units, you click on 1 million again. Then you add shares breakdown. So once you add it, you now go to where you want to put in our shareholders. This is where you are going to divide your 1 million between the shareholder. So we'll be sharing the 1 million between our director and another person. So where it says add shareholder, we just click on where it shows the director information. Then we are going to click on edit details because we want to make the director as the shareholder. So just click on it. Then you are going to see share allotment. So this is where you are going to divide the money. So you go to the share allotment, you click on type of shares, equity ordinary, then you move to the number of shares allotted. So we'll be sharing the 1 million between the director and somebody. So that is, we'll be dividing it 70-30. So you just click, you go to where it says number of shares, then you type 700,000. Make sure that the figure is complete. Sometimes it can be 600 to 400 or 500 to 500. It depends on what you want to do. Once you are done, you scroll down, then you add another individual. That means another person that will be sharing the 1 million. If the person is a minor, you click on minor shareholder, but if it's not, just click on individual shareholder. Then you add the personal details of the person, their phone number, their NIN, their address, and every other personal information of the person. So I'll just go ahead and add that. So once you are done doing that, after filling the details of the person, then you scroll down to where you are going to share the allotment. Just scroll down, you see it, share allotment. You click on equity ordinary. Then we are going to type the remaining 300,000 naira. You see this place that says prescribed particulars. Just leave it optional. So once you are done putting your numbers, you say add and continue. So you just scroll down, then you are going to confirm the details of the persons, their personal details. Just confirm if the number is correct, their names and all, the address. Then after you are done correcting and confirming, you just say save and continue. Then we move to the PSC, that is the persons with significant control. So just leave it as the director, the details is already there. CAC will automatically fill this section. Just leave it like that. You don't have to change anything. They will just put in whatever it is needed to be filled based on the information you gave them. So you just say save and continue. Then the personal details, you see it is already there. That is the director. Or if you want to change it or want to correct anything, then you just click on the box I confirm that the requirement is correct, then save and continue. Then we move to the uploads. This is where you're going to upload the information of the director. So after you've actually provided all this information, the next step is for you to pay. you are going to pay the sum of I can't remember, I think it's 10,000 naira. Then once you have paid, you are going to pay another 8,000 naira for FRS. So I couldn't record that. I don't even know why I can't find it. So after paying, then your information will be pending. Then I think after a week I went back to my dashboard and I saw that it was approved. So you can see here it says approved. So just click on the action button and download your certificates, your tin. You can see download and every other document that is in the action button. I think that is all that we need to get our CAC upgraded from business name to a company name. I hope this video has helped you in one way or the other. Please like this video. Make sure you like this video, please. Then subscribe and share to whosoever you think will benefit from this video. Thank you guys. See you in another video. Bye.